Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So guys, you guys can know whenever you send someone a picture from gallery, so it is not sent as a snap. So you guys can see I'm sending, let's suppose this one, and you guys can see it cannot be sent as a snap. How you guys can send this as a snap? So I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. You guys have to head over to Snapchat camera. So after here you guys can see a search bar option. You guys have to tap on it. So here you have to search for green screen. So you guys can select the second one and hit on the favorite button. So how you guys can do this? So you guys have to select any of the photo from your gallery. Suppose I'm selecting this one and tap on capture button, and here you have to send and select the person which you want to send, and I'm selecting and click on send. So now you guys can see I'm gonna show you it is sent as a snap. So in this way you guys can send pictures as a snap on Snapchat. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.